जय जत्रा देवी भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः।
समयको पाबन्दी नजर गर्दै धेरै नबोलिकन हजुरहरू इन्जोय गर्नुहोला। उहाँहरूलाई म माइक हस्तान्तरण गर्न चाहन्छु। थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच।
चाहना पुरा होस् सबैको, मनमा शान्ति होस् सबैको, जीवन जगनको कल्याण होस्, नयाँ वर्ष सबैको मङ्गलमय होस्। नमस्कार, म गोमा राणाको तर्फबाट सबैजनालाई धेरै धेरै नमस्कार भन्न चाहन्छु।
जीआरएनसीको अध्यक्ष आदरणीय निराशेल कुमार दिदी लगायत सम्पूर्ण जीआरएनसीका परिवारप्रति हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु।
पाउन्डको भौचर उपलब्ध गराउनु भएको छ। उहाँलाई यो प्राइज यो लिएर गयो भने यहाँले यतातिर बसी सबै कुराहरू डिटेलहरू छ र उहाँले चाहिँ जे भन्नुहुन्छ त्यही अनुसार गर्यो भने तपाईँले 300 पाउन्डको सुविधा पाउनुहुन्छ है। द्याट फर्स्ट प्राइज दे विल डोनेट टु नट मी जीआरएनसी नेपाली कम्युनिटीको लागि हाम्रो क्यू जिल्लाको साभाहरूले फर्स्ट प्राइज फेरि हामीलाई नै दिनुभएको छ। द्याट्स द भेरी ग्रेट। थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच साहब, थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच।
रेस्पेक्टेड हाम्रो जीआरएनसीको चेयरम्यानज्यू हाम्रो दिदी, यहाँ उपस्थित हुने सम्पूर्ण महानुभावहरू, हाम्रो सिनियर स्टाफहरू, रेस्पेक्टेड दिदीबहिनीहरू, अनि हाम्रो लोकल काउन्सिलबाट आउनुभएको ladies and gentlemen, first and foremost, thank you ever so much for inviting us. It's our pleasure standing before you and saying few words. I think this is the little that we could, as a Gorkha from 10 Kyojela or Gorkha from Kyojela could do to serve you. So, Didi, thank you very much for inviting us, and this is Hamro Sahanar to you. Thank you.
Bringing back the eastern side and the western side together. And the names are
It's all out of talk, and then you think, well, if that's what's behind it.
हजुरहरूले एउटा जोरदार ताली दिनु होला प्लिज। हेल्थ एन्ड सेफ्टीको विषयमा अलिकति म जानकारी गर्दछु। In case of fire and if there is any health issue, our assembly bodies, the car park on your right. And we have a if there is any culture secretary and our host MP is there today as well to celebrate this Nepali New Year. We have representatives from Nepali Buddhist community. I'll just write out the name of you. So please very quickly. Amarinus, Ipani, Nepal, Mesa. President of God, Asana Samoa, President of Brahma, Mrs. Dhanmaya Guru, and Hela Guru, Mrs. Sarda Guru, Chair of President of Virat, Mr. President of Iraq, Captain Chunu, Rahman Khan, Mr. Hamid Mr. William Sultan, President of Civil and Public Sector, Mr. Abdul Rai, and Mrs. Vice President in the International Coalition Council, ICC, Vishwas Mr. CEO of Hospital Collective Service, Dr. Paul, Community Development Manager, Peter Chakri, Former District Commander for Heart
President of Science President of Hiram Rangel Bharat, Major Kumar Rai, President of Citizen Singh Nepali Sabha, Mr. Vikas AESO South Region Coalition, President Mr. Harpachand Angbuhan, President of Free Nepali Community, Mr. Chamas Guru, Mr. Supa Guru, President of Aligarh Legislative Board, Mr. Hem Thapa, President of Community, Mr. Bom Suryabachi Thapa, and त्यसपछि हाम्रो लोकल शिक्षाले
पहिला छोटोमा म नेपालीमा पनि सम्बोधन गर्छु, त्यसपछि अलिकति इङ्ग्लिसमा पनि लेखेर ल्याएको छु, त्यो पनि म तपाईँहरूलाई सुनाउँछु। Coordinator would like to extend my sincere gratitude to everyone who joined us in celebrating Nepali New Year 2083. I would like to express our heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, Mayor of Roscoe Borough Council, Councillor Ron Stewart, our honorable guest, MP Alex Baker, special guest, Second Secretary, Mr. Sanjog Rai from Nepal Embassy, UK, and all distinguished guests. We are also deeply grateful to our UOGLR officers and colleagues. Now we have so many QOGLS officers attending today. I was very grateful. Very happy Nepali New Year 2023. May this year bring happiness, prosperity and success to everyone. Going on 7th May, the very best of luck. All candidates of the Roscoe Borough Council. Thank you very much. Namaste. सबै आमा बाबाहरू दिदीबहिनीहरू हजुरहरू आज आइदिनु भएको छ, जति पनि हामीलाई सहयोग गर्नुभएको छ उहाँहरूलाई पनि धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद।
You may remember last June we celebrated Victoria Day together with the Roscoe Borough Council. You guys came down together with the DPR. We also organized the new garden together with the Roscoe Borough and Roscoe Quality Services, and those who attended, you may remember. Thank you very much. I'm sure Alice Crawford and all your working safely later on. So can I please welcome Dipijit? Can I also invite the President, the Mayor of Roscoe, Borough Council, Alex Baker MP, Sanjay Rai, and the former President to stand behind the
जय जत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गै स्तुष्टुवादुसस्यनु वीर्यसीमहि देवहितं जदायुः शान्तिरन्तरिक्षगं शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्तिः 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 सुशान्तिर्भवतु। नमस्वनन्दाय सहस्रमूर्तये सहस्रपादाक्षिशिरोर्वाहवे
मित्रहरू, विभिन्न सङ्घ संस्थाबाट पाल्नुभएका पदाधिकारीज्यूहरू, सञ्चारकर्मी मित्रहरू तथा यहाँ उपस्थित हुनुभएका सम्पूर्ण आदरणीय महानुभावहरू, यहाँहरू सम्पूर्णमा नेपाली नागरिकता गर्ने साथै मेरो व्यक्तिगत तर्फबाट हार्दिक नमस्कार र नयाँ वर्ष 2083 सालको हार्दिक मङ्गलमय शुभकामना। आजको यस कार्यक्रममा नेपाली नागरिकता लड्नका कार्यक्रमहरू कार्य व्यस्तताका कारण उपलब्ध हुन सक्नु भएन, तथापि उहाँले यस कार्यक्रमको सफलताका लागि शुभेच्छा प्रकट गर्नुभएको छ र जिआरएमसीले आफ्नो स्थापना कालदेखि यहाँको नेपाली डायस्पोरा, यहाँको लोकल कम्युनिटी र विशेष गरी गोर्खा भेटरान्स र उहाँहरूको डिपेन्डेन्ट परिवारहरू जुन किसिमको सेवा सुविधा सहजीकरण गरिरहनु भएको छ त्यो वास्तवमै सराहनीय छ र प्रवासमा रहेर पनि नेपाली कला सांस्कृतिक पहिचानको जुन प्रबन्धन गर्ने कार्य हजुरले गर्नुभएको छ त्यो वास्तवमै सराहनीय छ। आजको यस कार्यक्रममा हाम्रो उत्सव रहेकोले म धेरै समय लिन चाहन्न, तर हजुरहरूको यो यस नयाँ वर्ष 2083ले हजुरहरूको जीवनमा थप हर्ष उमङ्ग खुसियाली ल्याओस्, हजुरहरूको जीवनमा थप उन्नति प्रगति को बहार होस्, यही शुभकामना व्यक्त गर्दै
Thank you.
Good evening. Happy Nepali New Year to you all. It is an honour as the Mayor of Rushmore to be with you tonight and to celebrate what is always such an important and wonderful occasion. It's an event that I look forward to a great deal, and that isn't just because of Captain Ty Beartapper's excellent renditions of Tom Jones's Back Cattle, but they are certainly a highlight. New Year in any culture is a time of reflection, renewal, hope, and it's time to recognise the strength of our communities. And here in Rushmore, that strength is something that we see every single day. The Nepali community has been part of our community here in Rushmore for generations. The community has been part of our story, in the proud service of our veterans and their families, to the growing number of people who make Rushmore their home and build their lives here, who are now very much a part of the character of our borough. We see that connection in the deep link with our military community, something that's woven into the identity of Aldershot Rushmore itself. Those values of service, loyalty, and commitment have long defined our Gurkha regiments, as many of you know, and continue to resonate across our town and borough. We see it too with the energy and the ambition of local businesses. Many of you across Rushmore are entrepreneurs, bringing not only economic investment, vibrancy, culture, opportunity to many of our units in our high streets. That spirit of enterprise that is something driving our local economy here in Rushmore forward. And perhaps most importantly, we see it elsewhere in our everyday life, in our schools, where our young people grow up side by side, in our community groups, in our places of worship, and in the quiet everyday moments that build understanding, trust, and share identity over time, making that progress that Alex was talking about just a moment ago. But the part of community is not defined by one or one contribution as president. Across every part of our borough, that's something we should all take a great amount of pride in. As we look ahead, we do so with confidence and optimism, because the future of Rushmore will continue to be shaped by people in this room, by your leadership, your families, your businesses, and your commitments to this place. So tonight, let's not just celebrate the start of the new year, but everything that brings us together as one community. I wish you all health, happiness, and prosperity in the world. Jaga and Janapur. Have a good evening.
Thank you to everybody. Please welcome, or can I invite our President of JRNC, Mrs. Mila Selimano, for a thank you to the next stage.
General Secretary, Lieutenant General Sunil Ramaju, for time. Good evening, everyone. My name is Mila Selimano, President of the Greater Rushmore Nepali Community. I am the first female president of this community. I would like to sincerely thank our chief guest, Kalam Iswar, the Mayor of the Rushmore Borough, and especially
दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनीहरू यहाँनिर हजुरहरूले चाहिँ हाम्रो यो प्रोग्राम सक्सेसफुल बनाउनुको लागि हजुरहरूले प्रायोजन गरेर अलिक आर्थिक हाम्रो समाज कार्यान्वयनको लागि अनि हाम्रो economic field. They have just been promoted to the warrant officer, and hopefully they will get their warrant officer badge this June. To Staff Sergeant Milan Roca on his promotion to 002. Thank you very much. The next one is Mr. Milan Kamo. He has been given a distinction of Pride of Raspur Community Award a couple of months back, and this is a big achievement which is goes on to show that we have been working very closely with. So big welcome to Milan Kamo as well. We have Mr. Udesh Dewan. Udesh Dewan ji, तपाईं यहाँ हलमा हुनुहुन्छ भने कृपया आइदिनु होला।
सन्तुष्ट हुन्छ तब उसको व्यक्तित्व अझ उज्यालो र प्रभावशाली हुन्छ। यही स्लोगनलाई प्रसार गर्दै हामीले सुन्नीमा एस्थेटिक क्लिनिक मार्फत गुणस्तरीय सुरक्षित र आधुनिक सेवाहरू प्रदान गर्ने उद्देश्यले हाम्रो यात्रा आरम्भ गरेका छौँ।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम संजय राय हो। CGISमा छु। यो सेल्फ अर्गनाइजेसनको नामहरू बिचिएको जिआइएस प्रगति गर्न चाहेको दशकका लागि निर्णयका लागि त्यही जस्तो
चाहना पूरा होस् सबैको, मनमा शान्ति होस् सबैको, जीवन जगतको कल्याण होस्, नयाँ वर्ष सबैको मङ्गलमय होस्। नमस्कार, म गोमा राणाको तर्फबाट सबैजनालाई धेरै धेरै नमस्कार भन्न चाहन्छु।
Just to let you know that bringing back the eastern side and the western side together. And the names are so that people can put some money in their pocket as well.
जे होस् उहाँहरूले अहिलेसम्म मनोरञ्जन गरिरहनु भएको छ पक्कै पनि त्योभन्दा पनि आज नै ड्रेस लागेको बेलामा तपाईँहरूले लिएर जानुहुनको लागि हामी अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छौँ।
Cheers!
All the way from before. If you are left out with few people, please get into the bookstore. Have a very nice food. We're very thankful for arranging this hall by Empire and the team.
जिआरएनसीको अध्यक्ष आदरणीय लीला सेनकुमार दिदी लगायत सम्पूर्ण जिआरएनसीका परिवारप्रति हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु। साथै मलाई कोर्डिनेट गर्नुहुने आदरणीय दाई दिनेश गुरुङ दाईलाई विशेष गरी धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु। यो केसम्मको यात्रा सहज र हरेक कुरामा साथ दिनुभएको छ। सधैँभरि आभारी रहनेछु।
म छवि माया पुन अनि हामी पार्वती थापा बहिनी हजुरहरू सम्पूर्णलाई ह्याप्पी न्यु इयर भन्न चाहन्छु। म धेरै बोल्न चाहेन किनभने हामीसँग समय छैन। भन्दै एसजिआरएनसीका अध्यक्षज्यू कोअर्डिनेटरज्यू लगायत सम्पूर्ण कार्य समितिका पदाधिकारीज्यूहरू र दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनीहरूलाई म छवि माया पुन एडभाइजर अनि मेरो साथी पार्वती थापा ज्यूको हजुरहरूलाई चाहिँ एकदमै ह्याप्पी न्यु इयर भन्दै राफल ड्रको बारेमा हामी भन्न गइरहेका छौँ।
पाउन्डको भाउचर उपलब्ध गराउनु भएको छ। उहाँलाई यो प्राइस यो लिएर गयो भने यहाँले यतातिर बसी सबै कुराहरू डिटेलहरू छ र उहाँले चाहिँ जे भन्नुहुन्छ त्यही अनुसार गर्यो भने तपाईँले 300 पाउन्डको सुविधा पाउनुहुन्छ है। ल यो तपाईँको लागि ल
387 388
389
390
Anyone first prize gas? No. First prize that first prize they will donate to not me GRNC. नेपाली कम्युनिटीको लागि हाम्रो क्युजिरलको साभाहरूले फर्स्ट प्राइज फेरि हामीलाई नै दिनुभएको छ। That's the very great. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Respected हाम्रो जिआरएनसीको चेयरम्यानज्यू मेरो दिदी यहाँ उपस्थित हुने सम्पूर्ण महानुभावहरू हाम्रो सिनियर स्टाफहरू रेस्पेक्टेड दिदीबहिनीहरू अनि हाम्रो लोकल काउन्सिलबाट आउनुभएको ladies and gentlemen, first and foremost, thank you ever so much for inviting us. It's our pleasure standing before you and saying a few words. I think this is the little that we could, as a Gurkha from 10 Kyojala or Gurkha from Kyojala could do to serve you. So, Didi, thank you very much for inviting us. And this is Hamro Saranarti. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your kind support. Thank you.
2083 सालको रसमोर ग्रेटरले चाहिँ नि नयाँ सालको पार्टी गरेको हुनाले हामीले चाहिँ नि दिदीकोले चाहिँ नि स्पोन्सर गरेको भएको हुनाले हामीसँग अहिले नयाँ ब्याग आइपुगेको छ। यो नयाँ ब्याग त्यस्तै गरेर हामीले लगाएको ट्रुलीको यो कार्डिगन आइपुगेको छ। हाम्रो दिदी बहिनीहरू सबैले लगाउनु भएको छ। हाम्रो ब्याग चाहिँ नि हामीसँग 4 कलरमा छ भनेदेखि एउटा मरुन छ, रेड छ, ग्रिन छ अनि ब्ल्याक छ। ब्ल्याक चाहिँ नि पसलमा छ। हामीसँग धेरै अप्सनहरू पाउनु सक्नुहुन्छ हजुरहरूले, अनलाइनको मार्फत पनि छ। हामी चाहिँ नि अहिले पार्टीमा आएको अहिले यति रमाइलो गऱ्यौँ, यति रमाइलो भयो। हामीसँग मिलन तमु भाइसँग एकदमै रमाइलो गरियो, इन्टरभ्यू पनि दियो अनि त्यसको साथमा पनि ह्याप्पी न्यू इयर पनि मनाइयो।